You're going to love this new update, resending to unopened emails. This is a powerful tool that allows businesses to boost email engagement by effortlessly resending campaigns to contacts that haven't opened the initial email. This is going to increase your open rates and maximize your campaign effectiveness right inside of the CRM. So let's talk about those benefits. Now you're going to have improved email engagement. You're going to be able to enhance email engagement by strategically resending campaigns to contacts who haven't opened the initial email. It's going to bring you enhanced flexibility. You're going to enjoy greater flexibility in campaign management with options to customize those resend parameters. And this is going to help you streamline those analytics. You're going to gain valuable insight into campaign performance by tracking the open rates of both the original and the resent emails. Let's just talk a little bit about the practical use. So imagine that you are a small service business using the CRM to send out a promotional email for a special offer. With Resend to unopened emails, you can now quickly resend this promotional email to contacts who haven't opened it, increasing the chances of driving more traffic to your offer funnel and boosting the sales during this offer. So let's go ahead and find out exactly where this new update is. So first, you're going to go ahead and access the email campaign. To access your email campaign, you're going to go to Marketing, then to Emails. Make sure you are clicking on Campaigns within that email dropdown. Then once you're there, go ahead and click on that three-dot kebab, and then you're going to click Resend Email to Unopened. Now go ahead and customize those details, set your schedule, resend with a new subject line. You might want to optimize that subject line, and then go ahead and confirm. Now you can see the new campaign right there under your campaigns. Resend to open emails empowers you to enhance email engagement, to increase flexibility in campaign management and gain valuable insights into the campaign performance, ultimately maximizing the campaign effectiveness of email marketing efforts within the CRM. We hope you enjoy this new feature. Let us know if you need any help at all.